We're going to start by taking the piece of string, and we're going to thread it through the glass tube. Then we're going to take the end of the string and we're going to thread it through the desired stopper. And we're going to tie a knot, making sure that it can hold the washer. Now we're going to add the paper clip to the other end of the string. And we're going to measure the desired radius that we're going to use to measure. I'm going to measure 20 centimeters. And I will add a little bit extra, just for error. Notice that on the other end, my paper clip is holding the string steady. We're going to take the other end of the string and we're going to make a little knot. And we're going to add it, we will use it to hold the other paper clip that is going to serve to hold our washers. And that's it.